so excited, Uncle Galen.
Hold on. You need to read the book first. What's the cover say?
I don't know.
Sound it out.
Add
Stage.
Mackie. Is it Mackie, Mom?
Make.
Make up. What is this, Mom?
Oh, it's a piece of paper. Open up the book and see what's inside.
What is it?
It's a book about stage makeup that they use to put on their faces to do plays and stuff. To make themselves look different. Open up the container. Makeup.
Makeup. Thank you, Uncle Galen. So very much. I can send you a present back.
Open it up.
It's probably going to be a cow. My makeup.
Now this is all stage makeup. This will allow you to make scars on your face and make you look like you got fake blood, bruises.
The mint flavored stuff.
Mint flavored stuff.
And what's that?
What's what?
That.
Those are brushes to apply your makeup.
Can you put it on, Mom?
Yeah, we'll do that. Can you say thank you, Uncle Galen?
Thank you so very much. So very much. I'm going to deliver you a cow. That's the way of it. Expression right over.